Welcome to Auto Nerve X. Today, we take you into the world of timeless elegance and modern innovation with the return of a true icon, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Once a symbol of style and sophistication, the Karmann Ghia is back, and this time, it's fully reimagined for the electric age without losing its vintage charm. At first glance, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is a masterpiece of design. It retains the classic silhouette, the low stance, curvaceous body, and flowing lines that made the original a design legend. But now, those curves are sharper, more refined, and paired with a bold front fascia featuring sleek LED lighting and a sculpted hood that exudes confidence. Chrome accents, flush door handles, and a fastback roofline pay tribute to its retro roots while embracing a futuristic vibe. Underneath that gorgeous body is a state-of-the-art all-electric platform developed by Volkswagen. The new Karmann Ghia delivers instant torque, near-silent acceleration, and a range of over 450 kilometers. The drive is smooth, agile, and responsive, exactly what you'd expect from a car with a sports coupe soul. Inside, the cabin is a perfect harmony of old and new. You'll find a minimalist layout wrapped in premium materials like vegan leather and polished wood trims. A large digital cockpit and touchscreen infotainment system are seamlessly integrated into the dash. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice control come standard, while ambient lighting creates an immersive driving atmosphere. Safety and convenience are top-notch too. Adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and parking assist ensure every journey is secure and stress-free. Plus, with fast charging capabilities, you're always ready for the road ahead. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia isn't just a nostalgic throwback. It's a forward-thinking electric coupe that pays homage to its past while charging into the future. Beautifully built, brilliantly engineered, and undeniably cool, the new Karmann Ghia proves that icons never truly fade, they evolve. Thanks for watching Auto Nerve X.